What you thinking about?
Nothing.
Are you sure nothing?
Just thinking about a conversation I had with a friend back home.
Yeah, Mayam, I think about leaving sometimes.
Where would you go?
Anywhere, just not here.
And now that I have left, I ask myself, who am I?
Who are you really? When curtains close and your layers unfold, and the only voices that remain are the ones in your head. What do they say that you don't? What messages do they carry that your lips haven't met? When you escape the cities, the traffic, and its noise, do you make instinctive choices to fill the silence, or does it bring you joy to sit in concentration? Do you end your days with some form of creation when your favorite song comes on? Do you, as it said, dance like nobody's watching? Does the rhythm move you beyond your body and call up memories that are persistently haunting the parts of your mind you never show? Who are you beneath your image, apart from the reputation you've composed when you close your eyes? Of what do you daydream? Do you credit yourself for how far you've come? Are you someone who does or requires the saving? Maybe a little bit of both. Do you ask for help? And if the answer is no, why? When you reflect on the steps you take, do you know who you are on the inside?